Introducing African marigold, Tagetes erecta of the family Asteraceae, the family of sunflower. African marigold is an annual herb that grows to 60 centimeters tall. Leaves are strongly scented, alternate, pinnately divided. The segments are lanceolate and serrate. Flower's head is borne on a short stalk. Lemon yellow to dark orange yellow. Ray flowers are sometimes two-leaf. African marigold is native to Mexico. It is widely cultivated in the Philippines. It is propagated by seeds. One of the primary benefits of African marigold is its ability to combat oxidative stress. The high levels of carotenoids and flavonoids work together to scavenge free radicals, protecting cells from damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disorders and certain cancers. This antioxidant activity is essential for maintaining overall cellular health and longevity.